Are you tired of refreshing your feed every single day just to see if there's any real update about the iPad 12? You're definitely not alone. For a lot of Apple fans, this has felt like one of the longest waits in recent memory. The base iPad is one of the most popular tablets in the world, yet for months it seemed like there was nothing but silence. That silence led to confusion, speculation, and even doubt. Some people started questioning whether the device was delayed indefinitely or if it even existed in its final form. But now, things are finally becoming clear, and the situation is far more exciting than many expected. According to trusted industry insider Mark Gurman, the iPad 12 is not just a concept or a product still under development. It is fully completed. The manufacturing phase has already wrapped up, and units are reportedly sitting in warehouses, ready to be shipped. That's a huge deal because it confirms that Apple is simply waiting for the right moment to release it rather than struggling with production issues. For a product that people feared might be delayed, this is incredibly reassuring news. So why hasn't it been announced yet? That's the question that puzzled many people, especially after Apple's recent product event where new devices were introduced, but the base iPad was nowhere in sight. At first glance, it felt like something had gone wrong behind the scenes. However, when you look at Apple's strategy more closely, the delay actually makes perfect sense. Right now, the company is heavily focused on promoting another product, the MacBook Neo. Apple wants that device to have the spotlight without distractions. Launching the iPad 12 at the same time would split attention and potentially hurt sales of both products. From a business perspective, this is a calculated move. If both devices launch together, customers might hesitate, unsure whether to go for a budget laptop or a budget tablet. Reviewers would also divide their coverage, weakening the overall impact. By spacing out the releases, Apple ensures each product gets maximum attention. The base iPad already has strong brand recognition, so it doesn't need a big stage event to succeed. A simple press release launch will likely be enough to generate massive sales. Now let's talk about what really matters. What's inside the iPad 12? The biggest upgrade is the processor. The device is expected to feature the A18 chip, which represents a massive leap forward for the base model. This isn't just about faster performance, although that alone will make a noticeable difference in everyday tasks. Apps will open quicker, multitasking will feel smoother, and overall responsiveness will improve significantly. But the real game changer here is what the A18 enables. For the first time, the base iPad will support Apple Intelligence features. This means users will gain access to advanced AI tools like smart writing assistants and image generation capabilities. Previously, these features were limited to higher-end devices, leaving the base iPad behind. By including the A18 chip, Apple is closing that gap and bringing its entire lineup into the AI era. This move clearly shows how important AI is to Apple's long-term strategy. There were some rumors suggesting the possibility of an even newer chip, but that seems unlikely. It wouldn't make sense for Apple to put a more advanced processor into a cheaper device, while its laptops and premium products use similar or slightly older chips. The A18 strikes the perfect balance between performance and cost, ensuring the iPad remains affordable while still feeling powerful. In addition to the processor, memory is getting a significant boost. The iPad 12 is expected to come with 8 GB of RAM, which is a huge improvement for the base model. This upgrade will allow users to run more apps simultaneously without slowdowns or background app refresh issues. It also plays a crucial role in supporting AI features, which require more memory to function efficiently. With this level of performance, the iPad 12 won't just be a casual device for browsing and media consumption. It will become a capable tool for productivity, learning, and even light creative work. Interestingly, while the internal hardware is getting major upgrades, the external design will remain mostly unchanged. Apple already redesigned the base iPad in 2022, introducing flat edges and a modern look that aligns with the rest of the lineup. Because of that, there's no strong reason to change the design again so soon. Users can expect the same sleek appearance, including the 11-inch display and slim bezels. There might be a few new color options, but overall, the look will feel familiar. For many people, this is actually good news. It means existing accessories like cases and covers will likely remain compatible. Keeping the design consistent also helps Apple control production costs, which plays a big role in maintaining a lower price. Speaking of cost-saving measures, the display technology will remain unchanged as well. The iPad 12 is expected to keep its non-laminated screen. While some users see this as a downside, there's a practical reason behind it. Non-laminated displays are cheaper to repair, which is especially important for a device often used by students and kids. Accidents happen, and replacing a screen shouldn't cost a fortune. By sticking with this display type, Apple keeps the device more accessible for families and educational use. You also shouldn't expect premium features like OLED or a 120Hz refresh rate. Those are reserved for higher-end models like the iPad Pro. For everyday tasks like watching videos, browsing the web, and doing schoolwork, the current display is more than sufficient. Beyond performance and design, there are some smaller but meaningful upgrades expected. One of them is improved connectivity, possibly through Apple's custom N1 wireless chip. This could bring support for Wi-Fi 7, offering faster speeds and more stable connections. Bluetooth improvements are also likely, ensuring better performance with accessories like wireless earbuds and styluses. These updates help future-proof the device and keep it aligned with modern standards. Now let's address the most important question for many buyers: the price. Apple has always positioned the base iPad as an affordable entry point, and it seems that strategy will continue. Most reports suggest a starting price around $349, although there's a possibility it could rise slightly to $399 due to the upgraded components. Even at the higher end, the value remains extremely strong considering the performance and features being offered. Finally, what about the release date? Based on current information, the iPad 12 is expected to launch very soon, likely between April and May 2026. Since the product is already manufactured, the announcement could happen at any time through a simple press release rather than a major event. This timing also aligns well with the back-to-school season, making it an ideal purchase for students. In the end, the iPad 12 represents a major step forward for Apple's most accessible tablet. It combines strong performance, modern AI capabilities, and an affordable price in a way that few competitors can match. It may not have a flashy new design, but it doesn't need one. The real value lies in what it can do. For anyone looking for a reliable, future-ready tablet without spending a fortune, this is shaping up to be one of the best options on the market.